Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So I want to talk about a challenge today, but first I'm going to show you my Temu haul, but I'm not really going to talk about it. I'll put the links below. I don't know if you're interested. I got a couple of makeup brushes for paper crafting actually, and I got a ink pad. These are like under $2. And I tried it out and it's really good. And I also got a bag of mice. Okay, let's talk about the challenge. This is being put on by Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. Hi, Dana. She has a Make a Scarf challenge, and I'll link her video below where she explains the details, and there's not a lot of details. I mean, it's very simple. But also she has a tutorial for a scarf, and that's linked below her video. So I'm following her tutorial. I'm making one. I actually, they're pretty. I actually started one, yeah, and then I grabbed the wrong hook, and it was kind of going wonky, and I'm like, oh, just frog it. It's okay to frog. Just frog that thing. Start over, grab different yarn, whatever. Just don't worry about frogging. Just do it. Okay. So then I grabbed this yarn that was given to me by Nancy at She's Got Yarn Too, and I'll link her below as well. It is, I love this yarn. You Americans, you're probably pretty familiar with this. It's a medium 4. Dana made her scarf in a chunky or bulky, so it works up fast. But even with this 4 weight, it's working up pretty fast because I'm using a 6mm hook. So this is 100% acrylic. There are 5 ounces, 142 grams, 252 yards, 230 meters. It suggests a 5.5, but I'm using a 6. We can do that. Let's see. Make Noise for Turquoise is the color. Did I say it's 100% acrylic? I think I did. So, and I wrote on my ball band that I'm using a, can you see that? 6mm. Yeah. This time I'm not going to grab the wrong hook. Because I'm working on multiple things at one time, right? I have a tutorial for a sweater coming up, which I'm almost done all the recording for it. The sweater itself is done. So yeah, it should be out this week. Yeah. Okay, so this is the scarf. Look at how pretty. That is a beautiful textured design by the lovely Dana. That's beautiful. And she used chunky yarn, like I said. Sorry, I heard a noise. And I'm using 4 weight, so I chained 24. I think I chained 24 plus 3 and went into the 4th chain. Yeah, with the double crochet. Anyway, yeah, check it out. So make a whole bunch, and yeah, gee, this is beautiful. Yeah, so I have this much of one ball, like this was left over from something else, and I have another ball, so I'm gonna have enough to make a nice decent scarf. Check out Dana's video that's below explaining her challenge to make a scarf, and you can make more than one. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you as soon as I can. All right, have a good day.